Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Shakray. I am the founder of Your Lock Muse, but I also love all things content creation. So today I'm going to be showing you all a few of the pictures from our last content day and some of the graphics that I'm going to be doing in Canva. The video is going to just be voiceover from here and audio because my daughter is sitting here on her tablet and I don't want to get copyrighted for it because you know how YouTube gets. So yeah, as she turns it up, I'm going to show you all some of the content unedited and the graphics that I'm going to create in Canva, and we'll get this video wrapped up. Alright, so we're going to be working with this picture today. She is wearing a spiral tie. So if you don't know, I have a business and I make handmade spiral ties, which are bendable hair ties. So this is a new color, and that is what we're going to be putting the focus on. So my hair ties reduce tension, so I'm just going to be writing say bye to tension, and I'm saying that specifically because she is throwing up the peace sign. I'm going to go ahead and change this to white, and then I'm going to write the word tension in purple. You'll see me trying to find the right purple in a little bit for that. I keep it real short and sweet to the point. This is going to be the opening image on the email that I will be sending using this particular graphic. Now I'm going to be going in at the bottom of this graphic and creating what will look like a little button that says shop 30" because this is a 30" spiral tie that she is wearing, and I want to make note of the length that she is wearing in case somebody else has this type of length that she has. Okay, now we're going to be moving over to Klaviyo, and I am creating a new segment. Originally, I was going to be sending this email out to anybody that had purchased our 22" or 30" spiral tie, but later I'm going to go back in and just send it out to people that only purchased 30". So what I am doing is creating a segment. What someone has done, they've ordered a product at least once over all time, and I'm going to be looking for the variant. The variant that I'm going to be choosing is the length, and the length is 30". So let's say you sell clothes. Your variant may be you want to only email people who wear a size large. Let's say you only have larges left in a particular item that you are showcasing in the product. You don't want to email anybody that wears a small because they obviously would not find any benefit or any value from this email. So I'm going in and I have 30" spiral tie variant in here, I think 4 times. So I have to add it 4 separate times. So this particular segment created a list of 234 people, and now I'm going to go ahead and create my email. I am going to use a template that I already have saved. I use a particular layout when I am talking about new product launches. So you can see here, I already have a template saved, and all I have to do is go in and make little tweaks and adjustments to the photos as well as the copy that's going to actually be in the email. Something that I've started to do, my brand colors are white and 2 shades of cream. And when I first started sending out emails, I was really particular about that. However, you can see that what I'm going to do now is my buttons, my headers, and the background of the actual email. I am changing that color to whatever the color is of the product that we are focusing on. So that really just drives attention to details and, let them know that, hey, we're focused on this one particular product. We're focused on this purple spiral tie. So I'm just bringing all of these colors together. This email is very simple, but it's going to be very effective. I know a lot of times people are like, what do I send emails about? You send emails about your business. You talk about your product. You talk about the value. This particular email, I am trying to show off a 30-inch, a new color. So in the copy, I am letting them know that it is a new color that is launching. And I'm also telling them how we were able to get her ponytail to sit up this high with the 30-inch. Because usually people will get a 42-inch spiral tie for their ponytail to sit up high. So I'm making sure in the copy that I'm saying, hey, we wrapped the spiral tie around her hair and then we slowly slid it up in order for it to sit this high. The email is very short, very simple, straight to the point. All right, y'all. So that was a little bit of my process. You got to see what the email looked like. And that is it for